it's probably like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. And I was supposed to start this vlog early this morning. I woke up and everything, and my mind went down a rabbit hole of trying to figure out things that I needed to get done. But it was one thing that was on my mind that I could not find the resource, or like the teacher who talked about it that I wanted to use that resource from. I could not find it, and it took me all day. I literally just found it. That's why I had my glasses on, because I've been staring at my screen all day trying to find this, going through every teacher Instagram account I could think of, watching YouTube videos, all that, and I just came across it. So I wasted a whole day. But that's how my mind works. Like, if I get focused on one thing, I have to figure it out or I can't function. So I guess I was going to show you guys some things that I've been working on. But what I'm going to do in just a second is start painting my sign. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this sign, and then maybe, and y'all can see my mess from my haul, that sign as well. That's kind of what I want to work on doing tonight. Yeah, I think that'll be fun. I think that I have a really bad headache, so I need to not stare at a screen for a while. So I'm not going to work on anything on my computer, but I will go ahead and I guess show you guys what I've been working on, some of the resources that I did make. I'll probably put it on TPT. I don't have any products on TPT right now. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. Like, my lighting is bad, so the quality of this video might be a little off, but that's okay. I don't feel like pulling out my camera. So let me show y'all my resources really. All right, guys, so I did purchase a new little mouse. It's so cute. It fits with the aesthetic, you know. But yeah, so yesterday I was just working on, I guess I can show you guys my labels. So if you look right here, I just have my labels, and these are for my 10-drawer cart right here. So I have reading, writing, spelling, and the color's coming off a bit weird. There you go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have science, and I just put one that says important, just for like random things. So these are actually labels that are gonna go on my turn-in bins right here. So they'll fit right here. I don't know if y'all can see that rectangle that's in there, but those go on these. So I have 2 sets of kids, and I teach ELA and science. So that's why they're 2 different colors. So that's the labels for that. And I also created labels, and I'm just gonna cut out the circle, like a circle around them. And those are actually gonna go right here on these bins. And this is just to hold their morning work folders, and probably their interactive notebooks will be in these. And I just realized I need to buy another set of 6. So yeah, love that for me. So yeah, so I'll definitely get those printed out tomorrow, and you guys can watch me attach those and laminate those tomorrow. This is also a daily slide. Yeah, it's just some daily slides I've been working on. So it just says good morning. Then it has your morning work, your rotations, weekly agenda, reading, math, science, social studies, your homework to do, or just plainly classwork, things for them to remember. And then I'm going to make timers, and a whole bunch of different timers will be right there. And I believe that I did one more thing that's going to go across my room. I'm not 100% in love with this. I like it. Y'all, I'm my worst critic. So it's taken me a while to actually, you know, upload this stuff on TPT. But as you see, it's done. I'm just my worst critic. I just feel like, oh, no one's going to use it and all of that. I'm going to face it this way. But yeah, let me go ahead and start painting and decompress my mind, because my head hurts. right, so my phone ended up dying, but I did go in and add some little decorations to it just to give it some pizzazz. This yellow is coming up a lot brighter on camera, but it's really like a honey mustard color. Let me see if I can turn it or something. Oh, I better look at it. Still looks bright. But yeah, it's really a honey mustard looking yellow in person. It's not as bright, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I like it. Don't ask what that design is in the middle. I tried. But yeah, I think it turned out super, super cute. Its glory. It's so cute. So we have our reading, writing, spelling, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, not Saturday, science and important things. So whatever book that we're going to be reading will probably go in here, and maybe some resources to go with it. Whatever we're working on in writing will go in here. Whatever we're doing in spelling will go here. And it might just be my copies as far as things that I need for myself. And then the copies for the students will go in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So everything for reading will go there. Everything for the week for writing. Everything for the week for spelling. And then whatever they need will go in these. So that's how I'm thinking that this is going to go. So whatever work that they're actually going to do that's going to be turned into me for a grade will go in here. I think it turned out super cute. Like I said, I'm going to take the edges down, but I really don't need to, but I might. We'll see. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out next, and then go in and apply these on here. This comes in 20. Definitely don't need 20. I have 4 of these. They has 4, so we'll only use 8. So I'll have extra of these, and maybe I can figure out something to use them for. We will definitely see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out, and then probably do a time lapse of me cutting these out. Okay guys, they look so good. Everything is coming together. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Sorry for the glare. I have a little light on my phone going. But that looks so stinking cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I made these as well. I made everything. So I'll have a whole little bundle in my TPT, or you can buy it separate if you want to. But yes, I love it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with y'all live and crusty. We've been rocking the crusty vibes, so enjoy the filter. Anywho, I'm working on making some wish list. Sorry it cut off on me, but I was talking about I'm working on making the QRC codes to pass out on open night or meet the teacher night, whatever you guys call it in your district. So this is free on TPT, and I will below, but these are super cute. I changed the border to pink so it can match my aesthetic more, because y'all know me. But she has really cute designs. I really like this one, but I don't like how small it is, so that's why I opted for this. So I'm just trying to play with my options. Okay, so I'm back hours later, but this is what I created. Well, I tweaked it. This is not my creation. Like I told y'all earlier, I got this free off of TPT, and I just tweaked it a little bit to my liking. I'm gonna show y'all on full screen. We're gonna go ahead and get them printed out. I did go to the store and I got cardstock paper. Let's see. To put these on, because I want them to be really nice. So this is what it looks like. It just says, help us have an amazing year. Please consider purchasing an item from Ms. Wright's Amazon Classroom wish list. Thank you for supporting our learning. And then it says scan me, and then right here is the QRC code, and that will take you to my Amazon wish list. So it's really cute. So what I did on here is I put the border there, I added my QRC code in pink, and just added the words on there. And then on the back, I decided to make this have two, I don't know why my camera's fuzzy. Hold on, y'all. So I wanted this to have two main purposes. So on one side is going to be the Amazon wish list, and actually on the other side, hopefully if I line this up correctly. Okay, so like I was saying, on the back of this, I wanted it to stand for, like, just have two main purposes. So on the front is the Amazon wish list, or the back, however I decide to display it. And then the back of it is actually kind of like a keep in touch card. So it has my email. I just deleted it real quick so I can show y'all. And then it just says join class dojo. So this is the QRC code, and to join it. And yeah, I thought it was super cute. I found this ribbon little clip art just on the internet. It doesn't match my theme, but it's still cute, so I just decided to go with it, something simple. And I'm going to print these out on cardstock. So check the description box below if you want the link to this. It's free on TPT. Okay, y'all, so I'm out here, outside. I'm not going to talk that much because if you know me, you know that I hate bugs. But I'm going to spray paint my 3-drawer organizer pink. I got this from Walmart for $6. And I'm also using the spray paint Krylon. It's a chalky finish. It's in a pink color. Okay, y'all, so I just got to the school and I'm here using the laminator so I can laminate some of my posters for my wall and cutting them out. So I'm just gonna do like a little time lapse of me showing y'all me cutting out my stuff. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm in the library, so try not to be loud. So here's my signs and how they turned out. They're really, really cute. And we also have my contact cards front and back. So it has my Amazon wish list on the front Dojo on the back.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you.
Okay, I'm getting ready to use the laminator. This is for my, let's see, what wall is this? For my writing wall. So I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. Y'all can't see that. But I have a whole bunch of stuff in here to laminate and also cut out. I probably won't show y'all me cutting again, but I do want to go in and show you guys me laminating. So yeah.
I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
So we're gonna go ahead and cut these out, but this is going to my reading wall and it's gonna be super cute. I'm super excited about it. I want to show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and